Beard trimmer are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the beard trimmer from trustworthy brands to assist you in making decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefited people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch video. Number 1, Ufree beard trimmer for men, waterproof electric nose hair trimmer mustache trimmer body shaver. Starting off our list of the best beard trimmers for long beards is the Whale 9818. Produced by one of the top brands in the business, the Whale 9818 immediately catches the eye with its sleek, chic, sophisticated design. It has a smooth modern finish with a comfortable body that fits nicely in the hand, shipping with a range of useful and multifunctional attachments and extras to offer a lot of versatility and trimming options. The Whale 9818 may have a high price tag, but when you see all it can do and just how effective it is, you realize what a great value beard trimmer it really is. As well as being a beard trimmer, the Whale 9818 also doubles up as a nose trimmer, coming with a special nose trimming attachment. It also ships with hair clippers and a detail shaver, allowing you to shave and trim all over the body, getting the perfect length you need. The Whale 9818 has a super strong lithium-ion plus battery too. It has a 3-minute quick charge feature, allowing you to charge it up speedily whenever you're in a rush, as well as boasting an impressive maximum battery runtime of 4 hours. It's one of the longest-lasting beard trimmers out there, able to run over and over without any interruptions. It isn't waterproof, unfortunately, but apart from that, it's an all-round winner. Number 2, Beardclass Beard Shaping 2-in-1 Comb Multi-Liner Beard Sharp Template Comb Kit Transparent, works with any beard trimmers out there, all with their own features, functionality, and price tags. If you're looking for one of the best value beard trimmers on the market today, look no further than the Panasonic Urge Size Beard Trimmer is all you need to get the job done. The first thing you notice about this beard trimmer is its unique, curvy design that fits snugly in the hand. Next, you can see that the Panasonic Urge EB. Thank you for watching this video. This video is helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.